What's good, SC95 boys and girls out there? How y'all doing out there today? I am back with another performance video for y'all, man. I am unboxing a performance part that I got a couple of days ago from American Muscle. What it is a throttle body. It's a 70-meter throttle body, and I think this one is a 60-meter throttle body. So, probably like 10 more inches bigger, I think, bigger than the stock one, I believe so. So we about to put that on there. And make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the YouTube channel, man. And go follow my social media, SC95 boy. Go over there, follow it. And we about to get to unboxing this video. So let's get it. All right, y'all, we about to open it right now. Performance. Ooh. Nice little cover. Put that to the side. Now we on to this. It's my first time doing this, so I think we gotta disconnect the cable throttle. Let me see. I'll probably go from this side. Disconnect the cable throttle. I don't want to bend it. There we go. We're going to unplug these with the meter. This one with I don't know if y'all can see, 16 up. Boom. On each side, it's 4 of them, so just like that. We may have to unscrew this. So, all right, y'all. I took the stock one off. This is probably the 60, and this is the 70-meter. If you can tell the distance, the difference. I said distance, difference. The back. Boom. It's more polished. It's more different, more dirtier. But this is the 70, and this is, I guess, stock 60 or 50. 55, I don't know, but yeah. So we about to put this one on right now. So let's go. All right, we're about to put this on here. So we got, unscrew this real quick, just making sure. Our gasket. Put the gasket on here. On there right there. Hold that one moment, put that on there, and yeah. All right, y'all. See this part right here? This cable right here, you will have to probably hit it with this down on it so it can come on it, because it will be loose, so you will have to hit it on there. So everything perfectly fine on here, as you can see. Boom. Perfectly fine. Yup. So let's put the intake back on. All right, now I'm about to start up the car, so we'll see if everything works good. I don't want to have no messed up parts, unworking parts, so let's see. And I don't want to throw a check engine light because I'm gonna be mad. So let's see. The lights pop on.